Geoff, there's a lot happening in the body repair space. What are some of the highlights?
Well, David, there's a lot of structural reforms coming through next year around policy, national and state, and they affect the body repairers particularly, but they also have an extension across the broader membership. There's changes coming through federally for unfair contract terms, which means that you actually can't have unfair contract terms in it. And we expect that to be very, very powerful for our discussions with insurers, and particularly around contracts and things like repair authorities. So we're really looking forward to that. If you join that together around collective bargaining legislation that's been changed to include more types of organisations and a streamlined method for raising collective bargaining activities, it means that in body repair, in dealerships, in fuel retail, wherever, that these groups can come together and more simply start a collective bargaining dialogue. That's very, very powerful. And if you connect that with unfair contract terms, that's doubly powerful. And of course, in Victoria, we're looking forward to working with the government on a mandated insurer body repair code of conduct. This is really important. We have a code nationally. It's okay. It's got weaknesses. We want to strengthen that code. We want it mandated in Victoria so we can get this balance back in the system where insurers and body repairers can get on with their work without conflict. We think those three things together will help us do that.